So the first post says, Lock tries to be serious. Also, Lock, what if my penis is actually abnormally small? You know what? I'm not going to say that out loud again. So another post says, a wild pill lock appeared. Want to know what else this is about? Read about it in the Discord server. Prevolution is, apparently I'm a druggie now. Okay, you know, Prevolution, I'm gonna let you get away with calling me stupid and want to know why. Because how much you donate in the streams, bro. You're practically a simp. Or my sugar daddy, whichever you want to be. Nobody. Lock's new album coming. This is pretty cool. I like that. Oh, wow. Wow. So this is an edit. It's supposed to be like an album cover or something. This is genuinely good. I like that. So here we are. We got another edit by Kaseed. It's not a meme. It's a video this time. It's a good video, by the way. Impressed with his editing skills. This dude knows what's up. This dude, I'm impressed with y'all. I'm like a proud father who doesn't have kids. I'm a father who doesn't have kids that's proud. It happens. Actually, at that point, I'm pretty sure that's called a man with schizophrenia. Never mind. When this song goes off, you know something good's gonna happen.
We got him.
Impressive kills. And why did I get blamed exactly? Not the imposter, huh? Crazy how that works. I hope you got voted off afterwards, bro.
Wrong.
I hope you died. Wow, that's aggressive. Very aggressive for a game. Aqua left the game. Good, he left the game. They do be showering, though. Everyone in Among Us, if you play Among Us, you're a whore because your character is naked. Oh. Oh. Blue, you deserve to die. Vote me, you gay? Joke's on you, I am gay. It'd be like that. We also got a video by Hanna. I clip Penguin without asking my parents' permission, so I mean that kind of gives you an idea of what kind of person I am, right? I should be arrested. Oh, I'm sleeping on a flower, bro. That's pretty crazy. I think the craziest part of this is Hannah's violin skills. Alright, guys, so this is the last Reddit post. Let's end it with a bang. Join the Reddit r/PranksterLock if you want me to review your content. It doesn't have to be just about me. It can be fan-made content as well. Good job, Hanna. Alright, let's see who wins. Hanna won. Is this just a flex? Uh-oh. It's not possible. It's not possible. Putting Hanna in her place. Hanna won. Hannah's winning. Hanna won. Hanna
I hate this. It's so slow.
Looks like Jonathan's gonna die. Yup. So fast. Hanna won. I think Hannah's got this. Just curious. Hannah's obviously in the lead. Can't say I'm surprised there. Good job, Hanna. I was mistaken. Hanna won. Hannah's winning. Hanna won a limb here and just take a random guess. I think Hanna won. You can also win for 99 cents a month. You get exclusive live streams. You get to rewind or rewatch any live stream. You get access to member-only live chats. You get Discord role. And for upload tier, you get exclusive uploads. You get videos early. You get a daily journal, which is pretty much like a blog post. You get exclusive Snapchat stories. It's not porn. Filled with disappointment and sadness today. Ah! No, 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 no. Sometimes you just gotta get out and teeth are falling on me.
Is this heaven?
No, you're heaven.
Wow.
Oh, there's something in my eye. Ow. I think it's an